model, 67 plate Mercedes-Benz Vito 111 1.6 CDI Euro 6 Ulez compliant 12 months MOT Cat S repaired no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 148174. MOT, the 20th of March 2026. Engine, 1598 CCOM 622 114 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on the dash whatsoever. Starts and drives exactly as it should. Fresh 12 months MOT ready to go. Absolute bargain with no VAT. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition. Still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 12 months MOT.